and welcome to Savor the Southwest. Today I'm going to share my little hack for getting rid of permanent marker. Now, I use it a lot in canning and in other things in the kitchen. And I'm saying permanent marker because these guys are not sponsors yet. Hint, right? Hopefully they'd be sponsors because I use these tools a lot. Now, I canned some garlic chicken on 4/21, and when it came time to can plain some again, it was plain 11/21, and here it is 12/21, and we've used this jar at least twice so far. But rather than cross it out again, oh well, sometimes it just comes off with your finger, but it's leaving a residue. So here's my hack. Pharmacy has these interesting little things that if you have a family member who's diabetic or takes shots on a regular basis, you might know about this. You fill it with alcohol and you press down and the alcohol comes out. And then if you're taking a shot, you can rub it on you. But if you're working in the kitchen, you can rub it on whatever it is that you need the permanent marker to come off of. So permanent marker isn't quite permanent. Unless you get it on your clothes, then it's there forever. But there we go. Cleaned up that jar nice and pretty. Here's this jar. I painted it because I like the copper. And this is not thyme anymore. This is paprika. So thyme to get rid of thyme. And yes, that comes off too. Now, this is a dedicated permanent marker removal rag. Say that 6 times fast. And it just sits over in a particular corner of the kitchen with this little jar, and then whenever I need it, it's right there. So just making your life easier. Rather than getting a bottle of alcohol and tipping it and everything else, you just have one of these. And then you can have your stuff neatly labeled. So, thanks for watching. Savor the Southwest.